Hi. So, whether there is any conspiracy by the Andhra Pradesh government against Andhra Pradesh High Court and the Supreme Court Judge Sri Justice N.V. Ramana, let us just check the law first. Now, if you have a few minutes of time, kindly take some time to read the law that is prescribed by the Honorable Supreme Court. If anybody aggrieved and gives a complaint against High Court judge or a Supreme Court judge or Chief Justice of High Court, which is coming up on your screen. It takes around 3 to 4 minutes to read the law. Kindly read the law. This law is made by the Honorable Supreme Court. After reading the law, I will explain what is the sum and substance of the law. Now, briefly, in a couple of sentences, we can understand that whenever a complaint is received by the Chief Justice of Supreme Court or the Chief Justice of High Court, an in-house committee is created by three judges. They could be the judges of High Court or they could be judges of Supreme Court based on the complaint. And the report will be given to the Honorable Chief Justice of India. And after that, Chief Justice of India decides whether that complaint must be, if it is frivolous, Chief Justice of India will file the report in his file. If it has any material, if it has any merit, then the report will be forwarded to the President of India or the Prime Minister. And after that, there is a procedure that is prescribed by the Parliament. In a simple layman terms, 2/3 majority of the Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha must decide, must vote in favor of the complaint or the report. Then only judge will be removed from his post, which is called impeachment. Now, this is written in the Constitution. Before trying to discuss more about whether there is any conspiracy by the Andhra Pradesh government against the Andhra Pradesh High Court and the Honorable Supreme Court Judge, Sri Justice N.V. Ramana, we must also read the contents of the complaint that is given by Sri Y.S. Jagannath Reddy in the capacity of Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. So that is also coming up on your screen. Take a few moments to read the entire complaint, especially paragraph 5. Paragraph 1 to 4 doesn't have any problem. It appears that the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh is well aware of the Constitution, well aware of the complaint, and very well aware of the rules prescribed by Honorable Supreme Court if at all any complaint is made against the Honorable Judge of the High Court or the Supreme Court. Now, there is one loophole in the law that is made by the Honorable Supreme Court pertaining to these complaints. Before that, just kindly take a moment to read the complaint of the Andhra Pradesh government against the Andhra Pradesh High Court and the Honorable Supreme Court Judge. I hope you have read the law and the complaint of the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. To my opinion, because it is in the public domain, I am entitled to speak on this topic. Both these are in public domain. Now, the Chief Minister is well within his rights. The Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Mr. Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, is well within his rights to make a complaint against the judges of AP High Court and Hon'ble Supreme Court, because law is there. What is the problem? When law is there, complaint can be given. The only point that is distinguishable, or the loophole which was exploited by Andhra Pradesh government, is that the mode in which the letter was to be given was not prescribed in the rules. If you go back to the rules and see, it is left to the discretion of the complainant. Now, being a Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, it is not expected to release the letter or to release the complaint to the general public, to the media, because media will discuss. If it was not released to the media, a little dignity and decency and secrecy might have been maintained by the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister. It would have been a different case altogether. It appears that the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh wanted to defame the judiciary. That is why the letter was released to the media. It is clear cut. The conspiracy is to defame the judiciary. The conspiracy is to get mileage from the public on the plea that the judiciary is prohibiting the benefits of the people from reaching the larger sections or the poor people. So it is undoubtedly a conspiracy. The only mistake is releasing it to the media. The Chief Minister could have been a little more decent in not releasing it to the media. That is one ground. The second ground is there was a complaint against the orders that were passed against the Andhra Pradesh government, and they went even for the Supreme Court appeal before Supreme Court also. Now that need not be referred in the complaint, because when an order is questioned in the Hon'ble Supreme Court and an appeal is pending before Hon'ble Supreme Court, referring that appeal here, referring that order here, shall be distinguished by the Hon'ble Supreme Court as unnecessary reference. Because when the channel from High Court to Supreme Court is followed and it is pending in the Hon'ble Supreme Court, there is no point in referring here. And what could be the purpose of referring it here? Does the Andhra Pradesh government want to accelerate the decision on this order, which Supreme Court will not do? It will be distinguished. The complaint aspect itself will be taken, and Honorable Supreme Court will definitely create a rule regarding the manner in which the complaint must be given. Because the complaint can be given in any way. That is left to the discretion of the complainant. If you observe the sexual harassment charges against the ex-Chief Justice of India, Mr. Ranjan Gogoi, it was given in a different way. The letter was sent to all the Supreme Court judges. So there, Supreme Court sumo took up the case, applied the same rules which you saw earlier on your screen. In-house committee was created, and the Chief Justice was cleared of the charges. So the rules apply to everybody. When it applied to Chief Justice of India, it applies to other judges of the Honorable Supreme Court and the judges of the High Court. And the point is, unnecessarily the letter was made public. It appears that the government has a grudge on the judiciary, which is unfair for the government. So the conspiracy to defame the judiciary is visible, and Supreme Court has to rule on this question. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.